Okay, this is the sample we'll be looking at today. It's muscovite mica from EMS. The tip we'll be using, which I already installed, is from Nanosensors. It's a probe. There's a few more in this set for the exact same measurements if needed. And so like I said, I already mounted the sample. And the probe is very close to it. We'll approach it in real time. I'll show you that process. So let's turn on the laser and open up the software. So we already have a sum of 3 volts. It's not right in the middle, but it's close enough. We can take a measurement with this. First, let me tune the cantilever. Auto tune. See what it comes up with. This usually takes about a minute. So we're going to be operating in AC mode today. This also does contact mode if you're doing LFM or something like that. But we'll be doing acoustic AC mode. So there's currently an acoustic AC mode nose piece installed on the scanner head. So it looks like this tune was successful. Frequency of this probe is like 305 kilohertz. And we'll proceed to approach the sample. While we're waiting for that to approach, it should be getting close here, but I'll show you the controller. This one's an Agilent. And that's the computer that will come with the system to control it. Also comes with a head electronics box and an AC mode controller. This is just an acoustic AC mode controller. If you do need MAC mode, I can provide that as well. I have some other control boxes for that, as well as some magnetic AC nose pieces and sample stage accessories. So just depending on the setup you need, it can be customized. And then our little fiber optic light. All of the electronics go into the box through this port to hopefully reduce noise. Oh, and it looks like approach just finished. So we're now in contact with the sample. It's equalizing a little bit there. Wow, that is really drifting. Let me see here. I'm going to try approaching one more time. We might not make good contact. Now the approach is finished again. Looks a little more stable than last time. It's drifting a couple of nanometers, but this is a really noisy setup. It's on just a cheap wooden table, and the controllers are sitting on top of it that have fans on them. So yeah, it's not like an ideal setup to reduce noise, but we're not going for atomic resolution today. This is mostly just a demo to show that the system does work. So we can begin a scan here. This scan will do a 37 micron across. That's the largest scan size for this specific scanner. And we'll set it to just do 1 frame. So the our scan speed is currently 1 line a second, and we're doing 256 points per line, so it takes about 4 minutes to complete 1 scan with these settings. And looks like the scan just finished. We can look, and it looks like there's just some junk, dust, whatever, on this mica. And if we want to look at the settings we used to scan, you can just click on settings. So you can close those. Say we want to zoom in on a specific feature, such as this area right here. What we can do is, let's set our scan size to, I don't know, 8 micron. And that drops our window down to that size. And if we want to look at this stuff, then we would just pop it over into that corner. Let's put it there. And then start the scan. And it'll just scan over all of our old data with time. So this scan will take, again, another 4 minutes, so I'll see you in 4 minutes. Okay, it's just about done here. Just finishing up the last 2 lines. And you can see, yeah, we have kind of a similar topology to what we expected. Some features in there. And now let's say we want to zoom in even further. It gets a little bit hard to do it precisely just via this window. The offset is the better way to do it if you want to know, exactly just moving over a few microns or hundreds of nanometers or something. But let's say we want to zoom in on this area specifically. we can do that too. We'll cut the frame size down in half to 4 microns. And automatically it goes right in the middle of the frame, I believe. So if we just move it right about there, then we should be looking at this area here-ish. So let's start that scan. This time we'll go from the bottom. Okay, so that scan just finished. Apply auto contrast and you can kind of see what these features look like. So yeah, everything that's shown here is what's included in purchase. You'll notice too that that it has the environmental chamber included. So it's got this glass chamber if you wanted to run different gas environments. You can do that with this setup, this system. Also, if you need any other options for this SPM, we have other ones available. Like there's a whole bunch of nose pieces that can be used for different types of imaging. We have an STM scanner there. If needed, you know, here's another AFM multifunction scanner. We have some more sample plates. So lots of accessories we have in addition to the system. If you need customization, then we can probably offer it for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching. Bye.